I'm back. Still doing it this way, but I forgot one thing.
No. It's too cold, baby.
We got to add.
It's too cold, honey.
We gotta add the lightning bolt on this. I forgot. I thought I was all done. This next video, I thought that I was just going to make a I thought this video
No.
I thought this video was going to be one of the videos that
That's not nice. You gotta leave your shirt on. Cold out. Yep. Okay. Here.
boom, lightning bolt. Okay, now I'm done.
Here.
Now I just gotta add some other stuff. Not on camera, and I'll see you guys in the next episode, because I'm not going to make another video in a while because, yeah, my belly still hurts. So I'm going to make the ultra suit in this video. So yeah, my belly really hurts, so I'm going to try to make this fast. 1 second. I'm back with the full suit on. Got the arm. Got this other arm. And I got these boys. And no, I have to put this one on 2 sides because here, let's just put it like this so you can actually see the seam first side. But yeah, guys, I am done with this costume. Wait, the second thing that you might need, yeah, you might need this. Uh-oh, I forgot. There we go, I got the full suit on. I'm going to put on one more thing. I have to repeat it because I paused the video at the wrong time. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot something. Hopefully you guys didn't, because, yeah, I forgot this. You could wear this for the half ultimate, but yeah, this you might need because, yeah, we're going to start a spy school on here. I'm going to be the teacher. But in Spy Kids, my dad's going to be the teacher because, yeah, and the ninja kids are destroyed by the Spy Kids. That's going to happen in season 2. Season 2 is Sunday. So, yeah. We have one more episode, and boom, that's going to be, the beginning of season 2. So, yeah, you might want to have a folder because I'm going to teach you guys some spy stuff and, yeah, everything else. So, yeah. Also, I'm going to teach you guys how to decorate your school supplies to make them Spy Kids 30 school supplies. Yeah, that orange binder that I just showed you is my go home binder. So, yeah. see you guys, and, oh dear. See you guys later, so bye!